The next topic is number system, where number system is a system which is used to represent or to express the numbers. Here we are having various type of number system, but in syllabus we are having only 4 types. That is binary number system, which is also called as base 2 system, octal number system, it is also called as base 8 system, decimal number system, that is base 10 system, hexadecimal number system, which is also called as base 16 number system. You take any number system, the starting digit will be always 0 and the ending digit is depending on the type of number system. Now let us consider the first one, that is binary number system, which is also called as base 2 system. As we know, bi means 2, hence binary number system has only 2 digit which starts from 0 and ends at 1. In short, binary number system has a base of 2 which has only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. That is, binary number systems only deal with 0 and 1. Next one is octal number system. Octal means 8, hence octal number system has 8 digits which starts from 0 and ends at 7. That is, octal number system has a base of 8 which has 8 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, where 0 is the first digit and 7 is the 8th digit. Where 0 is the first digit and 7 is the 8th digit. 0 is the first digit, 1 is the second digit, third digit, fourth and so on, and the 7 is 8th digit. Next is a decimal number system. It is also called as base 10 system. This system we are using with our daily life. Deci means 10, which has 10 digits which starts from 0 and ends at 9. It has a base of 10 which has 10 digits which starts from 0 and ends at 9, where 0 will be the first digit, 9 will be the 10th digit. Total we are having 10 digits in the given decimal number, and this decimal number we can express in terms of unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and so on. And the last one is hexadecimal number system. Hexa means 6, decimal means 10. If I combine both, hexa plus decimal, that is 6 plus 10 equal to 16. Hence it has 16 digits, okay, which starts from 0 and ends at F. So hexadecimal number system, it has a base of 16 which has 16 digits which starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, then 9. After 9 there should be 10, but we can't use 10 here. Instead of 10 we are assigning as A. B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, E means 14 and F means 15. That is 0 to 15 we are having 16 digits, where we are assigning 10 as A, 11 as B and so on. Next we will discuss the conversion of number system, like how to convert a given number from one form of number system to another form of number system. Example, they may give a binary number and they may ask to convert into either octal form or decimal form or hexadecimal form. Okay, so let us start from any radix to decimal conversion. So what is the meaning of radix here? Radix is also called as base. It means they are asking any base to decimal conversion. So in this we will be having three possibilities, that is binary to decimal, octal to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal. So in this case the final result should be in the decimal form. According to that we will be having three types, that is binary to decimal, octal to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal. So if I start from the first one, that is binary to decimal conversion, here the given number will be in the binary form, that is 0 and 1, and we have to convert the given binary number into decimal form. So let us start with a simple numerical with binary number 11011 to the base of 2 equal to question mark to the base of 10. So this indicates the base. So here this base indicates the type of number system. So here the base is 2, it means the given number is binary. Here the base is 10, it means they are asking to convert into decimal form, that is binary to decimal form. So the first step is take the given binary number, that is 11011, take the given binary number first. So next find the positions. What is the meaning of position here? So from the right hand side, so this is right hand side and this is left hand side. From the right hand side assign the position. This is 0 position, and this is first position, and this is second position, and this is third position, and this is fourth position. So next is, so take this number 1, multiply by 2. So why to multiply by 2? Because here the base is 2. Multiply by 2 and the power should be 4. So 1 into multiply by 2 because the base is 2 here, and the power should be this number 4. If you are going for next bit, plus again this 1 into multiply by 2 power 3, again plus, so here the bit is 0, 0 multiply by 2 and the power should be 2, plus again this 1 into multiply by 2 and the power should be 1, plus again 1 into multiply by 2, power is 0. It is equal to 2 power 4 is 16, 16 into 1 is 16, plus 2 power 3 is 8, 8 into 1 is 8, plus 2 power 2 is 4, 4 into 0 is 0, plus 2 power 1, that is plus 2, plus 2 power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So if I add, the result is 27, which is decimal form. This is the result now, that is 11011 to the base of 2, which is in binary, will be equal to 27 to the base of 10. This is the final result, and this is the procedure to convert the given binary number into decimal form. Next, if I take one more example, say for example we are having 11101.011 to the base of 2, this is decimal point here, equals to question mark to the base of 10. See here, question mark means they are asking to convert the given binary number into base 10 system, that is decimal number. Okay, so again as I said, the first step is take the given decimal number binary number 11101.011. Next is find the position. So here we are having a decimal point, so before decimal point find the position first. Before the decimal point find the position first. So here the position is 0, here the position is 1, here the position is 2, here the position is 3, here the position is 4. Next, after decimal point, the position should be like start from -1, here the position is -2, here the position is -3. So before decimal point start from 0, after decimal point start from -1, -2, -3. So here before decimal point from right to left, after decimal point from right to left. So now again same procedure here as we have done here. So take this 1, multiply by 2 power 4, 1 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. So this is up to decimal point, again then continuation, again it is plus 0 into 2 power, the power should be -1 plus 1 into 2 power -2 plus 1 into 2 power -3. The result should be 2 power 4 is 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0, this plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. If I add, the result will be, the result is, this will be 0.25 and this will be 0.125. The result will be 29.375, which is in decimal. Therefore the result is 11101.011 to the base of 2 will be equal to 29.375 to the base of 10.